Now that we have our data set, let's use it to go create our contingency table. So I'm going to close the data menu within Rguroo and open up the analytics menu, click on the analysis button, and then I come down in the menu that pops up and click on contingency table. Within the dialog box for the contingency table, we're going to go ahead and select the stent30 data set. The first factor we will select is the group, whether or not they're part of the control or treatment group. And the second factor is the outcome, that is whether they had a stroke or not. I now go ahead and preview the contingency table, and I notice there are two tables that pop up. We're going to ignore the one that says expected counts. That has to do with some material that we will cover later on in the course. We are only interested in the observed counts. But I notice that the column labels and the row labels don't quite match what we had in figure 1.2 of our textbook. So I'm going to go ahead and change the order of those labels. I click on group, left click with my mouse on group. I left click on treatment and hold my left mouse button down and drag treatment up. And then I'm going to do the same thing for outcome. I left click on outcome. I left click on stroke and hold my mouse button down and drag stroke up. And now let's preview what the table looks like. Notice that that changed the order of the labels in both the rows and the columns so that they now match figure 1.2 of our textbook.